You know what's really comical? The recent comments I've been getting, even ones before, not even all that recent. The reason it's funny is because, I mean, simply the fact that people decide to say something in my comments at all, and the fact that it's not even productive. The fact that you decide to, you see a video, right? You're on recommended or you're on my channel. You see you see the video, okay? You look at you read the title, you look at the thumbnail, you go, oh, this motherfucker, I'm gonna prove this motherfucker wrong, this little son of a bitch. You go in the video, you're already mad because you don't like what you see. That's how it goes. You already know what it's gonna be, so therefore you don't get to blame me for making you mad. That was your choice. If you don't like something, don't interact with it. I think it is absolutely hilarious that people like sit there and try to shit on you for having a different opinion. Like, I don't care. Sit there, call me whatever the fuck you want in my comments. It's not gonna hurt my feelings. Do you really expect me to cry at night over a YouTube comment? Do you actually think that I'm gonna be emotionally damaged by that? Because if so, I think you should take a fucking walk outside. I think you should go outside. Like, I I just don't understand what the point is. There's no productivity. You're not doing anything with your life. You're not starting a movement of any kind. You're not starting a revolution. Why? Like, what's the point? What are you doing? Just sitting there getting mad at people in their comment section just because they see something different than you do. You know what I mean? And in my last video, I know most people really aren't even gonna watch through the whole thing. Reason being, I can see the average view rate. And also, I mean, some of them are pretty long, but all in all, as far as I know, most people will watch a few minutes of my videos and then just say something like, yeah, I think you should. For the people that say things that that beforehand at least have watched through the entire video, okay, I respect that, because at least you're watching through the whole thing and then saying something, okay? That makes more sense, although it's still not productive to sit there and just say, you're the dumbest motherfucker I've ever seen. It's okay, I don't really care. It's not my problem. You pissed yourself off by watching the video. I don't really care. There's no productivity getting done writing that comment. You're not you're not doing anything important to the world. Just to be flat out honest with you. And if that hurts your feelings too, if anyone wants to shit on this video, you're welcome to. I don't really care. It's gonna happen because, I mean, people hate me, but look at my subscriber count. It's gone up, what was it? It's gone up either 40 or 50 in just 2 weeks. Why? Because of Dad's Games video. That worked. You see how easy it is to get publicity? How do you think Andrew Tate did his thing? I'm not saying I'm faking my opinion, but how do you think Andrew Tate and Sneeko did their thing? How do you think he got his publicity so fast? But at the same time, everyone hates him. But it works because you get more publicity, you get more fame, you get more views when people hate you, because they cannot stand to not watch you and not sit there and hate on you. That's just what it is. He said it in things too before. He goes, I live rent-free in people's heads simply because they get triggered by what I say, or it was something like that. But it's true. I think, sorry, my dog's next to me. What the fuck you doing, Chad? His name's not actually Chad. Bro, why are you looking at a Smurf? No, but dead ass. The reason I'm not recording this on a video as well is just, I don't know. I don't feel like it. It's 7:22 in the morning. I'm chilling. I'm just sitting here, existing. Yeah, but if you want to continue triggering yourself, by all means, you're welcome to. I don't see any productivity in it, though. I don't see how it's doing absolutely anything, even in your own life. I think you should, honestly, like, just with no disrespect, I think you should just go and do something else. Like, if something is making you that mad that you feel that you have to go down to the comment sections of a video and write something intentionally hurtful to somebody, rather it hurts them or not, what's the point? it doesn't do anything. I mean, sure, you can be like, well, let's my anger out because you're a dumbass. That's still not helpful. You just insulted me again. You're not getting anything done by doing that. I think people should really learn to have civil conversations because I don't sit there and insult people. If someone wants to have an actual discussion about something, I'd love to. I genuinely love to. Because the only thing I ever get is people just sitting there insulting me. And if you can, like, seriously, there's been someone that's commented before multiple times. They go, you listen to Tate? You're a dumbass. Okay. You don't listen to Tate? That doesn't make you a dumbass. I don't care. People can listen to whoever they want to. Everyone is entitled to their own opinion. I don't care. It's not my issue. You know what I mean? It's everyone's right to have their own opinion and to have their own feelings. I'm not here to like stop you from thinking certain things. I'm just giving my opinion and also facts to some things. I'm not saying the whole dad's game thing is facts. What I'm saying is some things that I'm sharing are facts. Some things are more opinion based. And obviously you can tell which things are opinion-based because everyone gets mad over it. Yeah, if you want to continue pissing yourself off, I mean, by all means, you're welcome to. Go ahead. It's still getting me more views and more subscribers. At the end of the day, sorry, I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but at the end of the day, every time someone gets triggered and decides to write a comment, that decides to dislike the video, that decides to keep watching the video or even watch a little bit of it, I get more views, I get more interactions on the video, which pushes it more in the YouTube algorithm. Therefore, more people will see it. Therefore, more people get triggered. It's a whole loop. It's a whole loop. How do you think the Daz Game's got 5,000 views? So, I mean, if you really think you're stopping something, if you really think you're going to stop me by hating on me, that's great. I mean, at least you're trying to do something, but I think you should do something else. I don't think that intentionally trying to go around and hurt people simply due to the fact that they have a different opinion than you, it's not going to help you very much. You know, imagine if you're a coworker. I'm just going to give an example. Let's just say like your coworker or something has a different political viewpoint than you. And a lot of people right now are split politically terribly. No one ever wants to hear their opposing sides ever for any reason. They just don't care. They just don't want to hear it. So let's say your coworker has an opposing view to yours politically. Okay, let's say one wanted Trump, the other wanted Biden. I'm just giving an example here. You're gonna get mad at my example too. Okay. I think you can be done with YouTube for today. I think you can go the fuck outside. I think you can take a break for a bit, buddy. You guys will start talking, but one of you just gets pressed. One of you just gets triggered. The other one's calm and they're just trying to have a conversation and trying to see to the other side. But actually no, let's turn the tables. You're calm. Your coworker there starts freaking out. He gets mad and he's like, "You stupid son of a bitch." No, you're wrong. Trump is not good. You're wrong. You shouldn't listen to Trump. You're a dumbass. You're a bitch. All right? Now, how is that going to make him look? If you don't give in to what he's doing, because every time someone is pissed and they say shit to you, they want a reaction out of you. Don't give them a reaction. But if you do say something to them, just stay calm. And at the end of every day, you win. It's the same thing with girls. They always trying to test you. They're trying to get a reaction out of you. If they mad and they saying stupid shit, don't get mad. Just stay chill. And then a little bit, they'll end up stopping. And then they'll be all girly again. You don't gotta yell at them. It's not gonna do anything. Except they'll use that for an excuse and be like, "Oh my god, he's abusive." And then use it to break up with you later. Just stay chill and you win. That's just how it goes. So yeah, I mean, that's all I really want to talk about in this video. So, short little video. I ain't got much else to say, but I am still working on that school video. I'm like finishing up the script for it. So essentially it's just about school, what's wrong with it, and things it can improve on. So if you guys are interested in seeing that will be coming out pretty fucking soon. I'll probably do one version, just a very basic version of it. It's not going to be very interesting. It's just going to really be a voiceover of me reading the script, and then I'll just put that up and figure out like a bunch of pictures and animations and all that shit for it later. I don't know. I don't want to sit here and spend weeks on one fucking thing, but we'll see. If enough people want me to. See, a productive thing you could say in the comments is letting me know whether or not you want to see that video, so that'd be greatly appreciated. So I'll be working on that. Let me know what you guys think.